Mason, now we need our helper here.
Wait, do it again. Do it again. Mason, put them around over your ears.
This is the UFone Live. This is Potato World at Mimi's house. Look at these silly goofy people.
I love how everyone's going to be eating these potatoes.
We're playing potato. Do you hear the music? It's potato music. And there's Mason's big fat hairy face. Wait, I'm waiting for a new potato to come up.
Are you ever cooking and you accidentally drop something and you're like,
Yeah, no, I never do that. I never do that, do I, Mason? Mason, get out of
you're like, well, they'll never know.
I'm not going to say anything nice about you ever again. Okay.
Yeah, you will.
Look, he's about to do it again. He's playing a potato. Wait, let's zoom.
Playing the potato.
You're going to be on Food Network.
He's
Look
going
at-
viral.
We're putting this on YouTube. Don't say any bad words, all right?
Shit.
Look. Shit, fuck, shit.
There's a childhood in the room, people.
Look how he gets that potato down to the nub. Nubular.
I'm like a small adult. You're definitely
Whoa! Look at his muscles.
Oh,
Rippling. Oh boy, this is a good one. This is going on YouTube.
No,
do you have
it's
a
not.
YouTube account, Aunt Betsy?
Sure.
Well, how do you find you?
I don't know. I'm going to make one though as soon as I get off.
Okay.
Here, I'll take one.
I didn't know you had to have an account. Look at that. Now he has no more
upload it
music for us.
offline.
We're going to have to stop. I'm just going to say goodbye, Mason.
Bye.
He's not drinking wine over there. That's not his wine. Okay, say goodbye, Mimi. Look at you. Bye.
You two will
Okay.
know.